One of the most important trends currently in technology is artificial intelligence and particularly deep learning neural networks. These technologies impacted many industries, and we within Fortech and our data science group are looking for applications of these technologies in the world of manufacturing and industrial applications. Deep learning neural networks currently can achieve in many applications accuracies which are similar or sometimes possibly even better than humans. And they provide also faster recognition rates and larger consistency across the work time. So we are trying to help companies to take these very new technologies and apply them in their processes and in their systems.